Today's IT job opportunities for April 3, 2026. Wish you the best of luck, and God bless you. Please check the video description for the full application links. Job title: Senior Software Engineer, North America Software Center. Employer: Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company Limited. Employment type: full-time. Approximate salary: $113,000 to $164,000. Job title: Python Developer, AWS Hybrid/Onsite ZL. Employer: Jobs via Dice. Employment type: full-time. Job title: W-2 contract only, no C2C or 1099, Senior Technical Lead. .NET. Employer: Jobs via Dice. Employment type: contractor. Job title: Intermediate Software Engineer. Employer: Amentum. Employment type: full-time. Job title: Startup Ventures, Senior Software Engineer at Wisable. Employer: the D.E. Shaw Group. Employment type: full-time. Job title: Machine Learning Researcher. Employer: the D.E. Shaw Group. Employment type: full-time. Job title: Applied AI Engineer. Employer: the D.E. Shaw Group. Employment type: full-time. Job title: Intermediate Software Engineer. Employer: Amentum. Employment type: part-time. Approximate salary: $37 to $55. Job title: Professional Data Engineer. Employer: Freddie Mac. Employment type: full-time. Approximate salary: $109,000 to $163,000. Job title: Web Developer. Employer: State of Maryland, Maryland Insurance Administration. Employment type: full-time. Job title: Java Software Engineer, Senior. Employer: Freddie Mac. Employment type: full-time. Approximate salary: $116,000 to $174,000. Job title: Software Developer Intern 2026. Employer: IBM. Employment type: full-time.